Hello everyone, this is Apurva Pandita and you're watching Livelaw. In the northeastern state of Manipur, a deeply disturbing incident has shaken the nation to its core. A graphic video emerged, spreading like wildfire across social media platforms, displaying the most horrendous human rights violations imaginable. The video depicted two women being paraded naked and brutally assaulted, shedding light on the ongoing ethnic clashes in the region. As a result, the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association has responded promptly to this heinous act in a resolution that condemned the incident in the strongest terms. The association expressed their shock and sorrow at the gross violation of human rights. They did not hesitate to place the blame on the state machinery and administration for their failure to protect the basic rights of the citizens and control the violence in Manipur. The association also took note of the issue with the illegal first information reports and arrests made by the police against advocates and activists who were trying to help the victims and affected families during this crisis. One such incident involved advocate Diksha Dwivedi, who was booked on charges of sedition and conspiracy to wage war against India after attending a press conference under the banner of the National Federation of Women, that is NFIW. The NFIW, linked to the Communist Party of India, that is CPI, described the Manipur violence as state-sponsored. Talking about the details as to what has actually happened. So there's this woman lawyer named Diksha Dwivedi. She recently went to Manipur as a part of fact-finding mission to look into the violence situation there. After the visit, she held a press conference for the National Federation of Indian Women to share her findings. But here's the thing. After the press conference, she was accused of sedition and conspiracy to wage war against India, among other offences. Some of these charges could lead to life imprisonment also. Diksha's lawyer, senior advocate Siddharth Dave, rushed to the Supreme Court and in front of the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, he explained the whole situation. He mentioned that Diksha hadn't received a copy of the FIR. The Chief Justice asked Mr. Dave to give a copy of the petition to the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was representing the state of Manipur in the court. Chief Justice Chandrachud addressed Mr. Mehta and said, "She is a member of our bar. There is an apprehension that she might likely be arrested. She does not have a copy of the FIR." So basically, to give Diksha some relief, the Supreme Court had initially granted her interim protection from arrest, meaning that the authorities could not take any coercive steps against her, and then extended the same for 4 weeks while she approached the Manipur High Court for an appropriate remedy. Moving forward, as we all know, the Supreme Court has itself taken suo motu cognizance of the viral video and demanded that both the central and the Manipur governments inform them of the measures taken to hold the culprits accountable and prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. This move was hailed by the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, who mirrored the court's deep concern over the depiction of sexual assault and violence against women in Manipur. They firmly believed that such actions were inexcusable in a constitutional democracy. And finally, the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association concluded their resolution by offering their full support to the Supreme Court in bringing the perpetrators to justice. They pledged to provide pro bono legal assistance to any victims of the Manipur state riots who may require it. The resolution states, and I quote, "The association resolves to provide any and all assistance that the Supreme Court may require to bring the perpetrators of this most inhuman act to justice, including offering pro bono legal assistance to any and all Manipur state riots affected victims if required." Significantly, after the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, Supreme Court Bar Association, that is the SCBA, also condemned inaction of state police for 2 months. They also passed a resolution expressing its concern and condemnation over the violence witnessed by the northeastern state of Manipur, especially referring to the video depicting two women being paraded naked and assaulted in broad daylight. Basically, the entire controversy has sparked outrage and a renewed call for attention to the grave human rights violation in Manipur. The video that went viral was a shocking and heart-wrenching reminder of the urgent need for action to protect the vulnerable and ensure justice for those who have suffered immensely. This was all for this video. We hope that you like our content, and if you do, then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please consider joining our channel at ₹89 per month, or you can also make a donation of an amount as per your own choice through the thanks button below. Thank you so much.